In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know about French indefinite articles, so you can use them confidently. In French, indefinite articles are called les articles indéfinis. Hello dear French learners. Welcome back to Sam's English to French Lab. Let's keep building your French step by step, by learning, listening, repeating, thinking, and practicing together. First, let's find out what indefinite articles are. In French, they are un, une, des. In English, un and une refer to a or an, while des refers to some. Let's move on to using them correctly. They are used to talk about non-specific nouns. By nouns, I mean people, animals, objects, or places. So, un is used with masculine singular nouns. Une is used with feminine singular nouns. And des is used with plural nouns of any gender, meaning they can be either masculine or feminine. That means, whenever you want to say a or an in English, in French you need to choose the right indefinite article according to the gender and number of the noun. Alright, now let's look at some examples. Un garçon. It means a boy. Un acteur. It means an actor. Une fille. It means a girl. Une pomme. It means an apple. Des garçons. It means some boys. Des filles. It means some girls. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if a noun is masculine or feminine? Here's a very useful tip. Around 80% of the time, if a noun ends in e, it's feminine. Let's look at some examples to make this clearer. Une image. It means an image. Une voiture. It means a car. Une table. It means a table. All of these end in e, and they are feminine. But be careful, there are exceptions. Some nouns ending in e are actually masculine, like un livre. It means a book. Un téléphone. It means a telephone. Un arbre. It means a tree. But don't worry, with a little practice, you'll start to recognize them naturally. Now, here's an important pronunciation rule in French. Liaison. This is when the final consonant of a word connects smoothly with the vowel at the beginning of the next word. It's a key rule to keep in mind. Mastering it will take your French to the next level. Let's look at examples of all three articles, one by one. Un ami. Notice how the N links to the vowel. Repeat after me to improve your pronunciation. Un ami. Un ami. Une orange. Again, the N is pronounced before the vowel. Say it with me. Une orange. Une orange. Des amis. Here, the S becomes a Z sound. Let's say it together. Des amis. Des amis. Another important thing to keep in mind, some French words start with a silent H, and you treat them just like they begin with a vowel. For example, un homme. Notice how the N carries over because the word starts with a silent H. Let's pronounce it together. Un homme. Un homme. Great job. So when reading and speaking French, keep liaison in mind. This will make your French sound much smoother and more natural. Before we jump into the quiz, let's look at a few more examples of French indefinite articles. This will help you feel even more confident when answering the questions. Ready? Un sac. It means a bag. Des sacs. Some bags. Un chien. A dog. Des chiens. Some dogs. Un oiseau. A bird. Des oiseaux. Some birds. Now, let's look at some examples of feminine singular and feminine plural nouns. Une montre. It means a watch. Des montres. Some watches. Une chaise. A chair. Des chaises. Some chairs. Une pomme. An apple. Des pommes. Some apples. Remember, most of the time, the S at the end of plural nouns is silent, So, des pommes is pronounced as des pommes, not des pommes. Alright, now it's time for a quiz. This will help you practice what you've just learned and really boost your French skills. Ready? Here is your first question. Citron. Un citron. Photo. Des photos. Histoire. Une histoire. Hôtel. Un hôtel. Fraise. Des fraises. Pommes de terre. Une pomme de terre. Stylo. Un stylo. Chemise. Une chemise. Pantalon. Des pantalons. Poisson. Un poisson. Salade. Une salade. Chapeau. Des chapeaux. Ordinateur. Un ordinateur. Maison. Des maisons. Journaux. Des journaux. Before we continue the quiz, if you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Your support helps me keep creating fun and easy French lessons for you. Alright, let's get back to the quiz. Banane. Une banane. Abricot. Un abricot. Fleur. Des fleurs. Bus. Un bus. Lampe. Une lampe. Carotte. Des carottes. Étudiant. Un étudiant. Cerise. Des cerises. Ville. Une ville. Lit. Un lit. Mangue. Une mangue. École. Des écoles. Miroir. Un miroir. Étudiante. Une étudiante. Livre. Des livres. Bravo! You've done fantastic today. Every time you practice, your French gets stronger. I'd love to know how you did, so share your quiz score in the comments below. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sam's English to French Lab so you don't miss the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. À bientôt.